These luxury 4x4 camper vans take off-road travel to a whole new level, blending rugged durability with high-end features that make each journey both comfortable and thrilling. They're designed for adventurers who want both power and luxury, pushing the boundaries of exploration. The EarthRoamer XVLTS is a behemoth in the camper world, weighing over 16,000 pounds and powered by a robust 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine delivering 330 horsepower. Known for its incredible off-road capability, this vehicle is equipped with a large fuel tank, allowing for an impressive 1,000-mile range. Inside, it can comfortably sleep 4 people and features a full bathroom, a kitchen with induction cooktops, and ample storage. Built for resilience, the XVLTS handles everything from deserts to mountains with ease, offering adventurers a durable home on wheels that prioritizes both comfort and safety. In the SLRV Commander 8x8, strength meets spaciousness. This model weighs in at a massive 23,000 pounds and operates on a highly durable 8-wheel chassis, powered by 420 horsepower. Designed to withstand the toughest of terrains, it can accommodate up to 6 people with its modular interior layout. The Commander's fuel-efficient engine and advanced water filtration system make it an ideal choice for long-haul trips across challenging landscapes, where self-sufficiency is crucial. The Mercedes-Benz Moghome combines top-tier German engineering with rugged capability. Weighing about 13,500 pounds and packing a powerful 286 horsepower engine, it's built for both highway cruising and intense off-road excursions. The Moghome's fuel-efficient design and 4-wheel drive system ensure it can tackle steep terrains and harsh weather conditions, offering a secure and cozy environment for extended journeys into the wild. The Hymer Venture S represents the future of compact luxury camping, weighing approximately 7,500 pounds and powered by a 190 horsepower engine. Designed for 2, it incorporates a sleek pop-up roof, a fully equipped kitchen, and an efficient bathroom setup. Its high-tech, minimalist design ensures maximum comfort without sacrificing mobility, offering a premium experience that's both sustainable and adventurous. With the Global Expedition Safari Extreme, adventurers get a vehicle that's truly built for the wild. Featuring a 330 horsepower engine, this camper weighs around 20,000 pounds and can seat up to 4 people. The Safari Extreme is particularly noted for its fuel efficiency and long-range capabilities, making it an excellent choice for remote expeditions where reliability and self-sufficiency are paramount. The Unicat IN72H is a formidable machine for serious off-road explorers. Weighing in at over 15,000 pounds with a 300 horsepower engine, this model is capable of conquering rough, uneven terrain with ease. Built for efficiency and durability, the IN72H is designed to support extended trips without the need for frequent resupplies, making it a preferred choice for those who prioritize resilience and comfort. The EarthCruiser EXP Dual Cab offers a balance of power, efficiency, and compact design. Weighing about 13,000 pounds and powered by a 188 horsepower engine, this vehicle can seat 4 people and includes all essential amenities: a kitchen, bed, and bathroom. Designed for long-term adventures, it is both fuel-efficient and resilient, delivering an exceptional off-grid experience. The SLRV Unimog U430 is another giant in the luxury off-road market, powered by a 299 horsepower engine and built on a chassis that ensures maximum durability. Known for its ability to handle extreme terrains, the U430 is ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts who demand both comfort and adventure in one high-performance package. The Crawler OTAG 620 strikes a perfect balance between compact design and off-road functionality. Weighing around 6,600 pounds and featuring a 150 horsepower engine, it's small but mighty, fitting 2 people and offering a minimalist kitchen, sleeping area, and basic amenities. Its lightweight build and agility make it ideal for narrow trails and tough terrain, making it a great option for those who need a maneuverable yet comfortable camper. Built for the most extreme conditions, the Action Mobile Atacama 5000 HD is one of the heaviest and most powerful models on this list, weighing over 23,000 pounds and boasting a 420 horsepower engine. Known for its unparalleled durability, It is perfect for travelers who need a reliable home on wheels for exploring remote, challenging environments. The Ranger R560 is a more compact, yet versatile model, weighing around 5,500 pounds and powered by a 140 horsepower engine. Its fuel-efficient design and compact build make it ideal for city driving as well as off-road trails, providing flexibility and comfort in a small package. Outside van Slim Chance is designed with solo travelers and couples in mind, featuring a 200 horsepower engine and a lightweight frame that allows it to easily navigate rough trails. Weighing around 8,000 pounds, it's equipped with essential amenities including a bed, kitchen, and storage, making it perfect for minimalistic travelers who want an efficient and comfortable off-grid setup. The Nomad Samba Azul combines eye-catching design with functionality. With a modest 130 horsepower engine, it's built for travelers seeking unique adventures on both coastal roads and rugged terrain. Its bright exterior and practical amenities make it perfect for long road trips, offering a touch of style with efficiency. The Aquila van provides ample space and versatility, seating up to 3 people with a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area. Its efficient design balances comfort with performance, making it ideal for family trips and diverse travel needs. The Rossmonster Pagosa offers a luxurious and powerful off-road experience with its 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing 300 horsepower. Known for its agility and durability, the Pagosa is perfect for both long-distance trips and weekend adventures with the family. The Karma Mobile Dexter 574x4 is compact but fully equipped for adventure, featuring a 170 horsepower engine and weighing about 6,000 pounds. It's designed for 2 people and includes a kitchen, sleeping area, and bathroom, providing all the comforts of home in a highly maneuverable package. Its 4x4 capabilities make it ideal for both urban settings and rugged trails. The Etrusco CV600DF is designed for couples or small groups, offering space for up to 4 travelers. Its efficient design is ideal for mixed terrain, making it a practical choice for adventurous travelers seeking flexibility. The Hymer MLT 570 crossover is optimized for rough journeys, featuring a 190 horsepower engine and a lightweight frame. Known for its durability, it's perfect for those who want both comfort and the ability to tackle challenging environments. The Uniden Odyssey X is designed with extreme terrains in mind, powered by a 250 horsepower engine and built to withstand harsh conditions. Accommodating up to 4 people, it includes a full kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping areas, making it ideal for serious explorers looking for resilience and comfort in one package. Finally, the SLRV Daily Camper combines versatility with a compact design. Weighing around 7,500 pounds and seating 3, it's equipped with a kitchen, sleeping area, and ample storage. This model's efficient engine and robust build make it perfect for a variety of travel environments, from smooth highways to rocky trails, making it a favorite among adventurers.